What's up everyone, this is Sugar Ray Sprays and I love to spray. Today we're going to do an unboxing of 3 new fragrances I've got in my collection. First is going to be French Avenue's Obsidian, which is a clone of Angel Shea on the Rocks. I smell Angel Shea on the Rocks and I like it, but this is meant to be a close, like 95%. So I thought I'd give this a try, but I wait for this because it was sold out everywhere. But let's give this a try. That's it, you gotta get the plastic off when he's unblocked. And this. Now there's bring a knife off. See that presentation. Oh, okay. Nice presentation. It's like Zergioff. Hey, I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at all. Okay, that's gangster. You know what? Yeah, that looked nice in my collection. You know, we've got a Bora. Let's give this a spray. Let's see if this spray can make my day. Yeah, okay. Let's try this on strip. Yeah, very fruity. Some cognac. A little bit of vanilla coming in. But it's very fresh in the beginning. Yeah, I'd say this is fresher than the original. Yeah, I see why this was sold out. This is good. This is good. 35 quid. Yeah. Let's check out the notes. Okay. Okay, the main notes are grapefruit bergamot. Everyone think has bergamot. Got some anahis, some myrrh, lamdamen, jasmine, tonka bean. I love tonka bean. Amber and vanilla. Yep. This was a successful blind buy. If you ain't got Obsidian, get it. £35. I don't know how much it is in America, but over here, 35. Perfect. Right, the next one is, let's do More Than Words by Zergioff. More Than Words. That Zergioff, what I like about Zergioff, they got the best presentation and bottles in the game. Niche, class, you know. Look at that. Yeah, look at these boxes. Look at these boxes. Presentation. Look, it's like a coffin. There you go. I mean, come on, man. Come on, man. Look at that. Yeah? Yeah, these boxes are just too good to throw away. Okay, More Than Words. It's like a oudi rose fragrance. I've got into my rose game. I love rose. Okay, let's give this a try. Let's see if this spray can make my day. Hell yeah. Yeah. You smell that oud straight away. It's like a manly oud. Strong too. Yeah, we like this. We like this a lot. More than words. This is all these notes are saying. You know, they don't really list the notes. Let me see what 4-way Ranika's saying. Fruity notes, oud, floral notes, oriental notes. It could be anything when it says notes. It don't specify because they didn't release the notes. Ambergris, woody notes, and ladderman. But yeah, it's like a fruity, like a fruit bowl. Like it's ambery. But yeah, I like it. Yep, that's a win. I ain't had one bad Xerxes, which is great. So that is More Than Words by Xerxes. Next one we're gonna do, I've wanted this for ages. I smelt it and yeah, I liked it. This was a while ago, so this is 40 Knots by Xerxes. It's meant to be like a marine fragrance, but all year round one. But obviously best for summertime. Don't know, I'm gonna rip this one. But yep. Here we go. Same thing. Xerxes 40 Knots. Okay. Let's see if this spray is gonna make my day. Fresh, salty. It smells different. It's got like a slight medicine-y smell, but not too much. Mainly salty. It smells quite strong as well. Let me get some skin. So you're not getting that medicine-y smell so much on skin. It's definitely a different aquatic. You don't get too much of a fruity smell in this. Let me check the notes. Yeah, this is intriguing. So it just says woody notes, cedar, salt, seawater, green notes. Yeah, it's very salty. Slightly woody, not too much. Don't get too much green notes yet. Maybe that's later on. But yeah, I'll be using this definitely in the summertime. Yeah. Well, that's going to be it for unboxing because I've been unboxing a lot lately. But yeah, that's a win. But yeah, later on down the line, I'll be able to tell everyone how it performs, how these fragrances perform. But these are just first impressions. Yep, blind buy win. Happy days. But yep, that'll be done for this video. Make sure you smash a like, subscribe, comment, and You lot take care of yourselves out there. This is Sugar Ray Sprays, out.